Today I'll guide you through the process of downloading apps from the Google Play Store that are not available in your region. If you've encountered the frustrating message stating that the app isn't available in your country, don't worry, I've got you covered. The simplest way to bypass geo-restrictions and install restricted apps is by using a VPN. Let's get started. Firstly, head to the Play Store and install a free VPN app. TurboVPN is a great option and it's free for lifetime use. Please note that this method won't work with your current Google account. You'll need to create a new one specifically for this purpose. To create a new Google account, follow these steps. Open the Settings app on your device. Navigate to the Accounts section. Select Manage Accounts and then tap on Add Account. Choose Google and then select Create Account. Fill in your personal details and create a new Gmail, Idaho, and password. Once your new Google account is set up, proceed to reset the Play Store app on your phone. Open Settings and go to the Apps or Apps Management section. Select Google Play Store. Tap on Storage and clear the app cache and data to reset it to its factory default settings. Now open your VPN app. If you're using TurboVPN, there's no need to purchase any premium plan. The free service will suffice. Connect to a server in the US. Once the VPN is connected, open the Play Store app and tap on the profile icon. Select the new Google account you just created. The Play Store will now adjust to the US region settings. You can now search for the app that wasn't available in your country. It should now appear in the search results. If not, you can search for the app on Google and click the Play Store link from there. The app page will open in the Play Store, allowing you to install and enjoy using it. That's it. You've successfully changed your Play Store country and installed an app that was previously unavailable in your region. Follow these steps carefully and you'll have access to a whole new world of apps.